When you want to improve the drive of your car, you must change shocks, springs, sway bars, and install strut braces. But if you got a Roadster, you must change the door bushes too. But is it worth it? These bushes are located on the door frame and serve to stiffen the body. These are made of soft rubber. They are embedded in a door drawer. First, we mark the original position with tape. And then with the 10mm tool, we loosen the nuts. Here you have side by side the two different bushes. The new one is made of hard plastic printed with 3D printer. Once assembled, we feel that the doors cost a lot to close. Once adjusted, tighten the nuts. The first impressions are that the car is stiffer. There is a slight improvement in stability, but that the doors cost to close, I do not like. But is it worth it? Not for me. Better to spend the money to fill up the gas tank, go out to lunch with your girlfriend, or buy a t-shirt. For me, it does not compensate the small improvement in harness with having to close the doors with a strong bang. This is my honest opinion. I hope you like this video.